First, for long grain rice, you wash the grains. This is a pretty essential step. And I sometimes just put it in a bowl like this and wash, wash, wash. Look how cloudy the water is. That's all the starch that's coating the rice grains. And you really like to remove that if you want a really light and fluffy rice. Just rinse and then let it drain well. Most rice cooker instructions recommend cold water. There are normally graduated marks on the inside of the rice cookers indicating how much water one should use. So here we have rinsed jasmine rice, 2 cups, which we're going to add to the cooker, and 2 cups of cold water. Now this is a very fancy schmancy rice cooker. It works very well. Close it. This has a nice little visual on the front. It's already set for regular rice. Just press cooking. It makes a little song, and it will take approximately 55 minutes until it's done, yielding very nice, fluffy, perfect rice. It's jasmine rice, and the aroma is so different from the long grain white rice. I love this rice. And you really don't overcook rice this way. Now just with a fork, fluff it up. These rice cookers generally come with a rice paddle like this, which is very helpful in removing the rice to a bowl. Now look at this, isn't this beautiful? That is well cooked, fragrant jasmine rice. Ready to top with your favorite chicken curry or your chicken malai kebab. Very elegant, 55 minutes in a rice cooker.